Hello, beautiful Virgos. Remember that these are general readings. Also, these are energies for you to step into. You have free will. Woohoo! Snake spirit. Time to heal. 55. Master number. Snake spirit. Time to heal. Maybe some serpent rising coming up. Intense, intense. Let's read a little bit of that. See what this animal is wanting to say to you. Snake spirit. Get a good look at this. Wow. Pretty card. All of us need healing. At times, when the snake spirit appears, it is time to repair, renew, and replenish yourself and your vulnerable heart. Self-care and maintenance work are needed so that your vitality can arise. Give yourself the space to nourish your own well-being. Vulnerability is necessary for friendships and partnerships to work, which means all of us will have to tender our emotions at times. Be gentle with yourself and others now. Shed the past and step into a new way of being, for vitality is rising within you. Whether you feel it or not, it is. Shed this old snake skin. This might be a good time to honor the work you have already done to heal, grow, repair any damage within you, within those you care about, and within your own community. Celebrate together how far you have come in your healing journey and all that you have created. Unburden yourself of anything that no longer supports wellness, prosperity, positive relationships, and well-being, and open the door for the healing to occur. So big time healing for you. A lot of this work has already been done, whether you realize it or not. Whether you realize it or not. Hearing that clearly. Plug this baby in. There. Okay, Spirit. For the spring, for Virgo, for the spring, for Virgo, for Virgo, for the spring. I think Virgos are one of the most misunderstood signs. 5 again. So you got 55 and a 5 right at the beginning of the year. Change. Major change. Because of a lot of the healing work you've done. Change. For summer. Ooh, I felt something buzz. For summer. Individuality. Individuality. How many of you, your healing work is around preconceived notions that others had on you and what you should accomplish rather than what you think is your life? Spirit, for fall. For fall. Manifestation. You guys are getting some good cards here, Virgo. Beautiful. Change, individuality, manifestation, and for winter, please. Winter. I'm hearing some of you had a depth of going within isolation even. Isolation even. I didn't feel that. Sorry, I have a message coming through. Spirit's saying they've left the light on. You're going to come back from this. You're going to come back from this. I'm not sure who that's for. You're going to come back from this major transformation stronger, better, and lighter than before. And lighter than before. 3, creativity. Creativity. And you guys, check out what's at the bottom of the deck. 66, healing. Wow. Major healing going on. And you've done so much more work than you think you have. Wow. So, Spirit, please clarify. At the top of this deck that I pre-shuffled, done more work than you think you have. Change. Many of you have been in a position, this stuck position. You've been stuck. You've been stuck. Spirit's saying, we left the light on. You're coming back around. Do not fear. Do not fear. This card often makes me think of Odin, who made the sacrifice to cut out his eye, hang from a tree for days without food or water for the wisdom of the gods. Notice that he is there by choice. He is not struggling for the wisdom of the gods. What would you give for the wisdom of the gods? Change. And it's so funny for this to be coming out under change because this is stuck, right? You're stuck because there's something for you to see. Do not fear. You will not be here for much longer. You will not be here for much longer. For change, Spirit. Ooh, for change. Your paw is poking me. For Virgo, change. Buzzed. So much is about to be coming in. I can't help but looking at the lightning and the Pegasus on this side. It's going to happen fast. It's going to happen fast, especially after this long period of being stuck. You are about to have stuff coming in because the work felt like duty. The work you've been doing is when you felt at your worst. This felt like duty, but you really went within and looked at some demons, didn't you? For some of you out there, I'm seeing major change because you've done so much more work than you think you have. Spirit, for change. One more, please, for change. One more, please, for change. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. The Fool. The Fool. This change, whole new beginning. Whole new beginning. The Fool. Notice he's not afraid to walk off that cliff. He's not looking down scared. He's looking up and out. The sun is rising on a brand new day, a brand new life where it doesn't take as much to make you happy. Love me not. I'm doing me. This is a year of you, of individuality. And notice that I pulled this card and what's next out? Summer. Individuality. Individuality. This is a powerful year for you. A powerful year for you of new beginnings. Of new beginnings. Spirit, for individuality. For individuality. Ace. Oh, two more cards. Shut the front freaking door. Shut the front. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho ho. Okay. Individuality. 11. 2 ones. Came 3 aces. Aces are not. You guys, I'm excited. Aces are not major nor minor arcana. They are portals into a whole new energy, a whole new world. This change is bringing about a new life for you, a life of abundance, a life of abundance. God handing you a new opportunity of abundance. Free will. It's up to you to walk through that portal. It's up to you to grab it. Downloads, insight, clarity, perception, a new path opening up. Love, my cup overfloweth. You guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. Manifestation, fall, manifestation, 8, manifestation. When you step into this clearness, you can manifest anything you want. Love, relationships, money, enlightenment, immediate manifestation. Immediate manifestation. Ooh, energy shift. Okay. Okay. Manifestation. Manifestation 8. Okay. Okay. We have the King. The King of Water in reverse. Notice here, this could be a person. You might be manifesting love, a person. But I love how this came out. Now, most of the cards, whenever their back is faced, it's dark outside. And when they're facing front, it's light outside. But notice the difference here. He is more comfortable going within. The dolphin down there is speaking to someone. I can feel it. I just got a little tingle in me. Okay? This person right here, male or female, is stable, intuitive, wise beyond his or her years, his years in this specific instance, okay? They're saying that through going within, you are finding peace. It is clearer when you go within and trust your intuition, okay? That is how he manifests. That is how he manifests. Oh my God. You guys got all 4 aces in the deck. Manifesting immediately. Notice the lightning strike. This is going to bring passion into your life. You are going to become passionate about this. Manifestation is going to bring you major passion. And look at this. Movement. Forward movement after being stuck for so long. After being stuck for so long, forward movement, trusting your intuition and going, love me not, I'm doing me. And notice Notice the chains that have broken free. Notice how the world falls away. The road falls away underneath him as he moves, because there's no turning back. You will never see the world the same again, and new opportunities will present themselves to you because of this. Your perception is changing. Creativity, Spirit, for winter. Creativity. Creativity. Woo, Virgo. Woo. 4 aces. Holy Batman. Holy aces, Batman. Okay. Success, victory, whatever it is that you are going to create, whatever it is you go after, you will be successful. You will have victory. You will have recognition. Someone out there needs to know, I feel like a fear, like people won't appreciate what you have to say. Okay, you're going to get recognition for it. 7 of cups, okay, in reverse. Now look at this, look at this. He's looking up. It looks like he's saying, thank you, Spirit, because Spirit is offering you whatever you want. But here's what Spirit wants you to remember. Look at this. Here, he can't see her. Here, it looks like he's blind. Even though she's still there, even though the options are still there, he's blind to them. I mean, this guy is blind and stuck in a marsh. Where's his buddy? I mean, who let him out of the castle in that fog? He's by himself and he does not see his options. Okay? Spirit's saying, what do you want? Focus on what you want. Focus your attention on what you want. And you will receive it. Specifically when it comes to victory. One more, Spirit. One more. One more. Okay, 2 cards came out. Yes, okay, perfect. Look at this. Okay, it fell out this way, okay? I like it this way. Now here we see he has a very limited view of what he needs, okay? He's dropped that torch of fire, that passion, because he's so concerned about holding on to his pinnacles. He has no room to receive more. But here we see his view has expanded. There's more to this world than just the pentacles in front of him. And as he does that, he gets this 10 of Pentacles. Sorry, it fell out this way. He gets this 10 of Pentacles. Okay? This is full abundance. Full abundance. An abundance that leaves legacies. An abundance that leaves legacies. Notice how your cycle has changed so greatly. As you expand your perception and release expectation of how you think it should look, and let Spirit have the wheel for a little while, right? This is what you get. This is what you get. Puppy. Woo! Woo! Let's pull 1 Isis card. Woo! Lord of mercy. For those of you who have donated to my channel, thank you. You guys get me through it. You pay my bills. Make sure to tell me what you want to manifest and release in the notes section of your donation. You can find that in my description box. I include you in my new moon and full moon manifestation rituals. So tell me what you want to manifest and what you want to release. I'm sending you toads and frogs. And believe me, people have got them. People have got them. I just kind of, okay. Reset. For 2021 for Virgo. Usually I'm going to get a little buzz. Be patient. One always comes. One always comes. Okay, cartouche. Divine names of power. Your words are powerful and becoming more so, especially as you get all these downloads, these aces. What does it say? Cartouche. Divine names of power. I think I pulled this in Sunday church the other day. Ooh, I'm ready for these allergies. Okay. Nope, not that one. Wrong one. Okay. Cartouche. Divine names of power. Lady Isis initiates you now into her special mysteries. The use of sacred intonations. The words that you speak are rapidly gaining power. To benefit from this power, rather than to be undermined or held back by it, practice Thoughtful speech. Clear your heart of old unforgiveness, which can poison your words unintentionally. As your heart grows in purity, you will be able to speak with spiritual authority, and what you speak of will come into being more swiftly and obviously. Isis is initiating you as a master healer in her sacred traditions of divine names of power. Okay? You are being initiated into divine healing tradition. Isis works through divine names of power. These are sacred words of strength, magic, and power to create healing from a place of compassion and devotion to love. She honors that which is worthy of protection and uses endless determination combined with her skill of speaking words of power to cause life to thrive, and that which is not worthy of cultivation, which would not serve life, to dissipate and decline. Be careful with your words, especially when it comes to self-talk and what you are worthy of. Whatever this major change that you have gone through, being stuck, I can feel like this heavy stuck energy here. You are coming through this. You are coming through this. Take a walk outside. Look at her little foot. Take a walk outside. Get yourself a little unstuck and let spirit do the rest. Step into your authenticity and individuality. Stop keeping up with everyone else. Get off the social media. Take a break for a little while. I'm just saying quick things that are coming in. It's easy to get in your own head, Virgo. I know, I'm a Virgo sun, and I know how hard it can be to live in here. But when you get outside of that, forcing yourself to practice the meditation every day, even when you don't, especially when you don't feel like it, it will not only become a habit, but an addiction. Okay? Make sure you're careful with the words you are speaking. 4 aces are coming to you. 4 aces. You're about to have blessings and abundance in every area of your life, if you so choose to step in to this energy. And these aces mostly came out under individuality, which means being fully authentic, speaking your truth. Your truth. Beautiful, Virgo. I manifest this reading for you. Like and subscribe. It's like tipping. Support a sister. Catch you on the flip side.